Welcome to our channel, where we explore the latest advancements in technology and their impact on the workforce. Today, we're discussing ChatGPT and its potential to replace coders' jobs. As AI technology continues to evolve, many experts are questioning whether it will replace human workers in certain industries. One area of concern is coding and programming, where ChatGPT, a powerful language model developed by OpenAI, is making waves. ChatGPT, or Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is a machine learning model that can generate human-like text. It's been trained on a massive dataset of internet text, and it can complete tasks such as writing code, writing articles, and even composing poetry. So, will ChatGPT take over coders' jobs? The short answer is no. While ChatGPT can generate code, it still requires human oversight and input to ensure that the code is correct and efficient. Additionally, ChatGPT is not designed to replace coders, but to assist them in their work by automating repetitive tasks and providing suggestions for code improvement. In fact, ChatGPT could even create new job opportunities for coders, as they will be needed to work alongside the AI to ensure its proper implementation and maintenance. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful tool that has the potential to revolutionize the coding and programming industry. However, it's important to remember that it's not a replacement for human workers, but a valuable asset that can help them to achieve more, faster and better. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech-related content and be sure to check out our other videos.